goddamn get it on, will ya? Woo. When the blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes cause his memories.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to diagnose a misfire on your BMW N52 without a scan tool. Now this is a common problem on the N52 engine, and I've been through it many times. My N52 engine is actually misfiring right now, and therefore I'm going to show you guys how you can easily diagnose it and you don't need a scan tool. Now I have scanned my N52, there is no codes. Therefore I'm going to show you another trick to use on to diagnose a misfire, another way to actually bring the fault up, to find the fault. Now my feeling is it's a coil pack misfiring, but who knows, it could be a valve solenoid, which I think is very unlikely because they're brand new genuine ones which I only replaced 20,000 miles ago. So my whole philosophy probably will be it's ignition coil. So let's get the N52 engine in here and I'm going to show you how to diagnose a misfire on that engine. Okay guys, here we are with the BMW N52 engine. Now this car has just come up with a misfire. It's running really rough. It's got no fault codes, and this is something a lot of you will come across on an M52, M54, no matter what engine it is, it's common on BMW, especially for them to throw a misfire and not give you a check engine light. People can run their heads around rings trying to fix it, especially if you don't know much about cars, thinking it's that sensor, thinking it's these, thinking it's the valve solenoid, thinking there's a vacuum leak because you've got no codes. But today I'm going to show you the way I usually check on these cars how you know if you've got a misfire. Now, my suspicion, as I said to you, is going to be ignition coil because they're very known for doing that. Also, I run the live data and one of them was completely out by over minus 1,000, which means one of the cylinder isn't firing correctly. So I managed to pick up the fault, and I've got a feeling this one of the cylinders. I'm going to be showing you what one it is. So I'm going to run the car. You ain't going to hear me. You're going to see me unplugging the ignition coils, and you'll hear the engine change its tune by all the working ignition coils. Now the ones that's not working, the engine is not going to change its sound or its tune when I disconnect it, which I'm under suspicion it's number 5. So we're going to work our way along, and you're going to hear the engine drop, the RPMs drop as I disconnect the working coils, and when we get to the non-working one, the engine's going to not drop at all and it's going to stay the same. So let me show you how to check that. So if you can hear, I don't know if you can hear me over the engine, you can hear it's running very lumpy and it's misfiring. Now this is a very light misfire, bearing in mind it's only misfiring on one cylinder. This is very normal, and BMW engines are very smart at covering misfires up very well, and therefore they won't throw an engine light until it gets really bad and leaves you stranded, or it throws you into limp mode or reduced power mode. Now with this, what I usually tend to do is while the engine's running is disconnect each coil at a time, and if you see there, the engine has changed its tone, and then when we put that back in, the RPM rises again, but it's still misfiring. Now we'll disconnect number 2, and it's doing the same thing, so then we'll put that back in. Now we'll do number 3. Now you see there, same thing. Now we're going to move on to number 4, and be bear in mind to be careful that the brake needs to be a bit stiff. So you see there, I just took out number 4, and number 4 is actually up, so let's get that back in. Number 4, now we're going to try number 5, which I believe is the culprit, which is over the back here. We're going to go for number 5. And that one's now disconnected, as you see over here, the plug's off, and it's made no change in tone. You can put it back in. So either don't improve or disimprove. So there you have it. That will be your culprit for the misfire, and this is a way to diagnose it if you don't have a check engine light. The plug is off this one and the engine's still running. It shouldn't be running. It should be running like crap. Same way it is. It's running like crap because this coil is not responding. Therefore, that's the culprit, and we need to change number 5 coil on this engine because that is the culprit of the misfire. So now, after you've diagnosed the misfire, you just want to go ahead and replace the coil. Now, what this can do when a misfire and you leave it so long, it can put stress on the other ignition coils. Therefore, your other ignition coils will fail long term as well if you don't replace that, because you're putting stress on the other cylinders, because it's having to compensate for the mid-down cylinder. So my best advice to you is go around and check all your coils, because it could be one, it could be two. You just never know. These BMs are very well known to throw free off and not throw a check engine light. Therefore, if you do have an issue with a misfire and you can't diagnose it, you don't have a full code, like I said, go around, remove each coil, if need be, switch each coil to see, and then you'll know. And if the misfire moves to the other cylinder, you then know you've got a misfire. We've diagnosed it as misfire on cylinder 5, ignition coil's bad, or it could be the spark plug, could be many things, but majority of the time, 90% of the time, is the ignition coil. Therefore, you're going to replace them, and I'm going to replace it on this N52 engine. So there you have it, guys. It's not a long-winded video, just showing you how you diagnose a misfire on your BMW N52 engine, and you don't have a scan tool to actually diagnose your car. This is a very, very simple trick. If it ain't your ignition coils, it will be your valve solenoids. Do not underestimate them. They are a cause of a problem, and they usually do throw an engine management light, and they usually do leave a code. But if you don't have a scanner and you don't want to buy a scanner, if all your ignition coils are fine, it'll be your valve solenoids. They will cause misfires, they will disadvantage your timing, your car will feel very sluggish, you'll think there's something wrong with your accelerator pedal when there's actually not. It's your valve solenoids. They're not doing the job of advancing the timing to actually keep your engine in time, and obviously let you have the power that the engine's meant to have. So therefore, just change them over as well. So thank you very much for watching, guys. It's BMW Dr. Dean here, and I'm glad I've managed to show you now how to diagnose a misfire on your BMW N52 without a scan tool. Thank you very much, and goodbye.